There is no medical team member in grid cell. We are Excel Analytics and can share only way we are reading numbers. Please, for more instructions and detailed medical analytics on COVID-19 spread in your country, refer to government authorities. And please stay safe and secured. When we talk about if function, we need also to cover some functions that are built with tight integration of if logic. I mean sum if, average if, count if, and logic version of max and min function. But why you need to watch this video? Because we will cover not only if functions, but also ifs functions, and we are going to use them to analyze world data for COVID-19 from 2nd of April 2020. Let's start. So as you remember from the overview, we are having max and min available with only ifs function. And if you are using Excel earlier version than 2019, that you probably don't have this function available on your version. Therefore, we have developed a user-defined function and we are going to share it through the separate videos. So don't forget to subscribe now to not miss that. And we are going to search for two items here. For maximum, we are looking forward to see how many recovered cases we have per each of the baskets. And we are going to search for the maximum amount here. And in terms of the minimum function, we are searching for minimum active cases to see how critical the situation is evolving through the months and through the population levels. So we're starting with max and we are going to create max if. So again, the function follows the logic of the average and sum. We need to provide first range where we are going to search for the values, and only then we will create the conditions that are going to be the same as in baskets. So for max, we are searching for recovery cases and we are taking it from column D here. It's already fixed. And the rest, we are going just to repeat the same sequence we were using in previous two functions. So I'm going to speed this up. So the function is available here and we are going to check it through. So first you have noticed that we are having some errors that mean that the formula hasn't found any values available here, and take into consideration the situation rather critical, we are not having recovered for some countries. That means that still situation is getting overall not that good. However, what we can see here also that the higher the population and the earlier we are having the COVID spread on the country, we have much more cases of recovery. So this is again the case that's connected to the total amount of cases we are having per each of the countries. What's also important here to understand that we are having lots of cases coming from February that's been identified and countries have faced, but they are already a good trend to recover. Even for the countries where we are having less than million, it's rather big amounts. So turning to minimum if function, we are going to copy the function that we were using for maximum if, and we are going to do the following with the copy paste. I'm going just to copy the function. In fact, it already accepts the limits that we are looking here for. I'm going to change formula from maximum to minimum and click enter. And also I'm searching here not actually the cases of recovery, but the active cases. So I'm going to substitute the first parameter with active cases, and again making sure that it's fixed, so hitting enter. Overall, I'm going to recomplete it again. What we can see here that still there is a lot of active cases available for the countries that has faced COVID infection before March, and we are still observing that a lot of cases are available for big countries where in the first wave that has faced COVID infection in January. Some not pleasant trends that we can see that for the countries from 5 million until 10 million, we have lots of cases. But again, we are talking about the countries that has faced COVID infection before February, and that means that their still situations rather critical. For the countries that has faced COVID infection only within March, we have rather small amounts. Again, I understand that this is only minimum amounts, but overall that means that there is no any criticality. For the countries where we are having more than 20 millions and less than 40 millions population, we are having already several cases. But again, if you are going to check out the recovery tab that we have here, there is lots of people who has recovered from the COVID infection. So I really hope that all these active cases are going to be resolved within the most recent time, and we are going to see already a stable and solid and secure environment for the people all over the world. Thank you for watching. I wish you and your close ones to stay in safe and secure environments. Cheers!